Yuck. Does it even fit? Oh my gosh. I need to get my other one. I've never made fried chicken in my life. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today we are going to make some KFC fried chicken. I thought I could make a replica of the KFC fried chicken. I found an article that has the original ingredients for the KFC fried chicken batter, and I am gonna try it out because I love me some fried chicken, some extra crispy fried chicken to be precise. So if you guys want to find out how that turns out, then let's get cooking. Like this video, please be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, please be sure to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes, like today we'll show some pictures of me cooking this fried chicken, and I post things throughout my day. What am I doing with my life? You guys can go check it out and find out. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in all of my spices and herbs and all that jazz into my flour mixture. It takes 11 spices and stuff. Well, technically 12 because of the flour, but it takes 12 ingredients to make the flour mixture. Okay, 2 cups of white flour or all-purpose flour. On your phone. 2/3. What's 2/3 of a tablespoon? Well, oh wait. 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon, so 2 teaspoons. 1. Oops. 2. 1/2 of thyme. Where's my thyme? Thyme. That's gonna be bad. 1/2 teaspoon of basil. Some basil. 1/3 teaspoon of oregano. Would it really make that big of a difference if you did 2? 1 tablespoon of celery salt. A tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Does it even fit? Oh, burley. Burley fits. Ooh. 1 tablespoon of ground mushroom. 1 tablespoon of ground mustard. It'll be fine. 4 tablespoons of paprika. Oh my gosh. I need to get my other one. There we go. Wait, 4 tablespoons? I might not have enough. 1, 2, 3. 4. That's all gone. Wow, I got lucky. I could have ran out. 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. 2 tablespoons. Smells good. 1 tablespoon of... Why? No, I know it opens this way, but I have to take the thing off. Why won't it come off? There we go. That's so weird. Ew. That stinks. Okay, and lastly, 3 tablespoons of white pepper. 1, 2, 3. That's so much pepper. Yuck. I'm gonna put these away. I don't need them anymore. A fork! The dust is getting into my mouth. And then this one will have eggs in it. Should I do buttermilk or should I do egg? Buttermilk? Egg. I guess I'm using eggs. I can't find my buttermilk, but that's fine. How many eggs? Alright, I'm just gonna start off with 4 eggs, and if I run out, I can always put more. Oh, this hurts. Oh! Okay. My fork fell in. Ah! That was impressive. I made it. I think I need to split this up into 2 so that I do flour, egg, flour, and get like that double layer. Usually it's like flour, egg, and breading. So I think that's what needs to happen. And then here's my assembly. A plate. A plate. Alright, I will put my already done chicken on this plate. And then I'm gonna fry it. Flour. Okay, egg. Flour again. 1 done. Look at this chicken. It's on steroids. At least compared to like, well actually, KFC has some pretty big chicken wings. But like if you go to like Wings and Things, their chicken wings are tiny. Huh. They are. Look, they're like this little baby size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it in the flour, the egg, then the flour again. Trying to keep one hand wet and one hand dry. This hand is dry. This hand is wet. This hand is dry. Boom. I've never made fried chicken in my life. This is just a test. I'm just trying something new. Look at that little baby one. It's such a baby compared to the other ones. Y'all see that? Double tap, double tap. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Boom. Double tap, double tap. Cook, cook, cook. Dip, dip, dip. All right, I'm going to check the temperature on my oil, and then we'll start frying them. So come on over here. All right, I am ready to now fry them up. It will take how long? Ah! Oh my gosh. I don't even know if it'll turn out good. Ah! Why does it smell like fish? That's really brown already. Oh my gosh. Because I'm going to have to bake them. Because frying them is, I'm going to burn it. That's like way too dark. Those look horrible. They're like way too dark. I don't know what's going on. Well, I do know what's going on. My oil's way too hot. And so the outside got cooked really, really quick. So these aren't done. So I'm going to have to put these in the oven. But let's see if I can put the temperature down and cook the other ones. Maybe. Don't. They're going to be so raw in the middle. Alright, so my temperature has dropped down to about 300 instead of it being at 375. So I'm going to try one more time with maybe just 2 chicken wings and see how those turn out. I think this might work. So hopefully these will be done quick, and then my other ones I just have to bake, and those can be eaten later, and this video can be quicker. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Alright, my timer just went off, which means that these are almost done. I just need to check the internal temperature and make sure that they are at 165 degrees. If they're not, then I just have to throw them back in for a few more minutes. I think I'm going to put them in for a few more minutes. Ooh, okay, they are finally done. So I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to try them out. It is all done, it's cooled off, and I am ready to try these KFC Kentucky Fried Chicken wings. They smell delicious. They look a little dark, but I think that's because of my oil, but I don't care. They look delicious. The only thing is, and I don't know how to fix this, on some of them the chicken shrunk, but the coating is like away from it, so it's like, I don't know, it's not like tightly wrapped by a breading. Oh my gosh. Yes, I just tasted like a tiny bit of the breading and it did remind me of KFC. This is bomb. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I wonder, it probably will taste better with buttermilk. This is good. I think I'm gonna eat like all of these. This is so good. The only thing is, I wish the breading was crispier. I wish it was crispier. But it's still so good. I'm like forever gonna use this recipe. Forever. I'm gonna eat the rest off camera. You guys don't need to see me being a mess, a monster to these chicken wings. No. So, if you guys like this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you guys can get notified every beautiful Wednesday morning. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!